Did you know authentic Neapolitan pizza dough needs just 4 ingredients? Unlock the secrets to perfect dough from scratch. Learn to make traditional Neapolitan pizza dough at home. Many home cooks struggle with pizza dough. Fear not, we're here to guide you step by step. Plus, I enjoy making the pizza my own with my favorite ingredients. We'll go through the dough making process, from gathering ingredients to kneading and resting the dough. Attention to detail and practice are key. Showcasing the pizza's transformation as it slowly caramelizes, demonstrating perfect snap and texture in the crust. This is where the magic happens, and your dough comes to life. To wrap up, we'll summarize the essential steps for making Neapolitan pizza dough. With patience and dedication, you'll soon be a pizza dough pro. Check out my other videos on pizza toppings and techniques, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable. Can't wait to hear about your pizza making adventures. Happy cooking, everyone, and be sure to like, comment, and hit that notification bell for more updates on videos. Love you guys.